And now, preview time.
Do you remember the way life used to be? It all happened in an instant. Wake up, Bird Boy. This could be a great day.
Leaving.
You cannot go on living here on your own.
The big city. We're getting off this damn island. Getting off this damn island. Getting off this damn island.
Fly away with us. We'll start a new life. Far away from here.
Ready? Set.
Forget about him. He doesn't love you. You just don't understand him. Bird Boy has a demon inside. Will I help you? Tell me. The only thing that really scares me is the thought of being stuck on this island forever.
Thought of being stuck on this island forever. Thought of being stuck on this island forever.
We need a boat.
Hi, kids!
Let the games begin.